cinematic African anthem song, celebrating all 54 African countries in unity, peace, and culture. The song should begin slowly and emotionally with soft tradition, African instruments, distant choir. Each part of the song must start by mentioning the country name first, then a morning expression and a greeting in that country's language of Champo. Rwanda, Mugitonda Saiza, Muraho, Kenya, Asubuhi Njema, Jambo, Egypt, Sabah al Khair, Salam! South Africa, Salabona, good morning. South Africa, Salabona, good morning. Continue this style naturally through many African countries using real African languages including Kenya, Rwanda, Swahili, Zulu, Arab, Yoruba, Hausa, Lingala, Amharic, French, Portuguese, and English. The music should gradually grow into a huge emotional Afrobeat and orchestral ends on the big African drums, traditions, percussion, emotional strings, cinematic choir, strong bass, spiritual chants of Alma Hartley, and club golf man, Indirimbo Jagger choir. South Africa, Salbona, good morning. South Africa, Salbona, good morning. Mention African countries proudly, one after another, with cultural pride, peace, love, freedom, and togetherness. The atmosphere should feel emotional, inspirational, and historic, like the whole African continent singing together as one family. Add powerful crowd chants and emotional chorus sections such as Africa Oye, Afrika Imwe, one people, one heart, one rhythm, from Kigali to Cairo, from Lagos to Cape Town. The ending should become massive and emotional, with all voices joining together in harmony, while traditional traumas and orchestral instruments rouse strongly. Style, Afrobeat, cinematic orchestra, Afrobeat, against the